Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a work from home mom morning routine. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I live in Arkansas and I used to be a 5th grade teacher until I had Oliver, and when I had him I decided to stay home and do YouTube full time, and since then I've had to come up with a routine that works really well for us because being a work from home mom is not for the weak. So I've decided Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are my really heavy work days where I get up and I just work from the time I wake up till the time I go to bed. And then that way, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I can fully just spend all of my time with family and focus on our home. So I like to wake up between 6:30 and 7 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, get a little bit of a head start before Oliver wakes up, grab my iced coffee, read my Bible, make a to-do list for the day, because once he wakes up, I feel like I can't really think for myself anymore. I kind of have to think for him for the whole rest of the day, except for at nap time. So I like to make the most of this time in the morning, and so I'm just going to cuddle up on the couch right here with my Bible. I've been using the She Reads Truth Bible. Absolutely love it. And we're just going to have a little time with Jesus, make our to-do list before Oliver wakes up. Now headed into the bathroom to do my skincare and kind of get ready for the day. I feel like when I do my makeup and put on my clothes, I can get so much more done, as well as making my bed. If I can have those things done, then I will be very productive that day. Even if I'm not leaving the house, I have to get those things done or I will just lay around like a couch potato. So that's what we're going to do right now. I've been using Proven Skincare and I love it. I have very temperamental skin and I've had so many breakouts lately because of the pregnancy, which is crazy because with Oliver, I never had any breakouts. My hair grew so long and I had really good skin the whole pregnancy, but I guess since this is a girl pregnancy, it's a little bit different. But anyways, my skin has been crazy and Proven Skincare has been helping me keep that under control. Oh my word. This is about the time in the morning when Oliver will wake up ready to play, so I'll head into his bedroom, open the blinds, pull out a few toys for him to play with, and I will finish getting ready for the day. Right now I'm just going to do my makeup over here in the corner of my bedroom. Really good lighting with this window, so we're going to take care of that. And then after this, I'm going to make Oliver and I some breakfast, and I'm going to play with him for a little bit because what I've realized as a work from home mom is if I'll spend like 30 minutes, even 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes in the morning really interacting with him and playing with him, he does so well all day long. But if I try to work from the time he's awake till the time he takes a nap, he can sense that I'm really busy and stressed and he will not play by himself and he just constantly needs my attention. So that's what I like to do. Plus I love to play with him in the morning too. I would rather be doing that than working. So we like to take 20 to 30 minutes in the morning. We'll go outside in the backyard or we'll do arts and crafts. And then when I head off to either do a voiceover or edit a video or film a video, he will play by himself really well. Another thing that has helped me tremendously as a work from home mom is to have like a 5-minute makeup routine and a really quick hair routine. I've found that if I take a shower at night and my hair is dry, or if it's just not a hair wash day, it is so much easier to get ready in the morning fast. And this is my go-to hairstyle lately. It keeps my hair out of my face, but it's still kind of styled and makes me feel put together. I will leave a link down below to all of the makeup that I'm using currently. I love Revlon Color Stay Foundation. I've been using it for like 10 years and it's non-comedogenic. It does not clog my pores. And then most of the rest of my makeup is Merit and it just gets my makeup done so quick. I just throw on foundation, blush, mascara, just keep it really basic on a daily basis and then get something done with my hair. And then my typical outfit for the day is a pair of leggings or sweatpants and a really cozy sweatshirt because a lot of times we're just staying home. it's a double egg. We got a twin.
Double egg?
Does that mean good luck?
Like Mama.
Ollie and I both like to eat breakfast pretty early in the morning, so we've kind of just made a date out of it. Every morning we will have a little breakfast date at his little blue table in the kitchen. I usually like to do avocado toast with an egg or peanut butter toast with bananas, honey, and cinnamon. Those are like my two go-to breakfasts. And on this day, Oliver was asking for avocado toast too, so I went ahead and made him some. I knew he would probably not eat it, and he didn't, but at least he gave it a try. And I always serve like an applesauce or a cheese stick with his breakfast too. So we're gonna go ahead and eat breakfast, and then we'll move on with our day. Now that we're done with breakfast, I'm going to go ahead and throw on my comfy clothes. Today I was just editing, so I just needed to throw on something comfy, and I'm going to get Oliver ready to go outside, and it was a little bit chilly, so I'm going to get his jacket on and let him play while I edit. Will you grab a pull-up for me?
Yeah, pull-up.
Thank you, and I'm going to grab you some clothes.
More. Yeah,
You need one more? Okay.
How can I reach you when you shut me out while I'm still inside? You know
Now that we have a really solid morning routine and just a really good working routine in general, I know that things are going to change drastically when the baby gets here. She is due September 3rd, so we're going to have to make lots of adjustments, which I feel like that's just mom life in general. You're constantly having to monitor and adjust, which I did lots as a teacher too. So we're just going to play it by ear, see how things go. We'll probably take it a little easier once the baby gets here. Right now, Oliver is at such a fun age, and he's at such an easy age, I feel like. He just plays so well, and he honestly loves to work alongside me, so it's made things very easy, and I know that everything is just about to change. So if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe today. I love making videos about cleaning and decorating, homemaking, and then once in a while, I'll throw in a mom life video. And I just would love to have you stick around and subscribe. Follow along for our journey this year as a pregnant toddler mom, and then also learning to be a mom of two.
whatever you see in your heart line, blame it on me, I don't mind. Whatever it is will be fine. Give it to me, I don't mind.
Oliver is playing in the backyard, and I went ahead and opened up all of the kitchen windows, so we were talking back and forth through the window, and he loves to play in the backyard, so that's what we've been doing lately. The weather's been so nice. Either that or he'll play in his room, or he has a nugget in the living room that he likes to climb on, so that's kind of what he does during this time. And I'm going to go ahead and get breakfast cleaned up, make the bed, and then get started on my work for the day. My work usually just consists of filming a video, editing a video. Sometimes I will have a phone meeting. Just whatever that day consists of, we'll work around the home schedule. But I also made myself a big ol' liquid IV. I love liquid IV, especially as a pregnant mom. For some reason this time around, I am so thirsty and I cannot stay hydrated no matter how much water I drink. So I was kind of thinking maybe I was low on electrolytes or something, so I ordered a bunch of liquid IV, and it has been a game changer. I feel so much better at the end of the day now. My favorite one is the zero sugar green grape. It's so delicious, and I have a discount code linked for y'all in the description box in case you need to stock up too. But let's go ahead and get these dishes done, and then we'll get started with our work for the day. you are also a work from home mom or a stay-at-home mom, leave your best piece of advice in the comments below. I know we all have different struggles and different strong points, but I think it would be really interesting to read through those. I know I only have one baby, but one thing I've learned is just making that time early on in the day to sit down on the floor and play with him, or go for a walk, go outside, do something for 20 to 30 minutes makes all of the difference. It's a total game changer. I remember when he was a little baby, I would try to get up and work first thing in the morning to get it over with, and that way I could spend the rest of the day with him, but it just never worked out. I always felt defeated because first thing in the morning, he just really needed me. He wanted that interaction, and he wanted to play. So that's what we figured out works for us, but leave your best piece of advice down below.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last.
I'm going to close with this. Being a mom will always be my first priority. It's my favorite job in the whole world. I was so thankful to be able to quit teaching and stay home with him. So even though working from home can be a challenge sometimes and finding ways to balance everything is difficult, it is so worth it. And if there's ever a day where Oliver needs me, he's sick, he just wants my undivided attention, then he will always come first, and we'll just make time for that and balance work somewhere else or find another time for it. But I am thankful for this job and being able to work from home because there's nothing like it. There really isn't. It just feels like such a blessing for my family. So anyways, we're going to make up this bed, and then we're going to spend the whole entire rest of the day editing this video and getting it live for y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, leave your best piece of advice down in the comments below if you are also a work from home mom or just a stay-at-home mom. I know that's hard too. But I appreciate y'all for stopping by today. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you, and I will see y'all later. Bye.